Hi friends! Today I'm super excited because we're going on a weekend trip to Yelapa. It's not far away from here. We're gonna stay in beautiful eco huts, and tomorrow we're gonna do a very big hike, like a 20-kilometer hike to Waterfall. So it's gonna be a very beautiful weekend. So we just made it to Yelapa. Yay! The boat ride was really rough. We were going really fast, and our hair looks bad, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, we're almost at the accommodation, and we're gonna go to the beach afterwards. So this is our adventure hut in the jungle. So we're gonna sleep over here. It's a beautiful place, you can sit here. And then over here you have the outside bathroom. There's a sink. I think if you go around, there is a shower. It's like an outside shower. And there's actually room for more people. Because if you go upstairs, so this is upstairs, we have like 3 more beds and an amazing jungle view. Like, we're like in the middle of the jungle, and we actually have electricity, so that's pretty nice. We're gonna get ready now to go to the beach. Good morning guys, it's 7 in the morning. I just got ready because we're gonna have breakfast now, and then we're going to start our big hike. So the hike is really nice. Until now it hasn't been tricky at all. I think it's just long, and we're gonna keep walking. hike to the waterfall is like 3 hours. It's getting a little exhausting right now, but I think we're gonna take a break soon. We are almost there. I think it's only a few more minutes of hiking and rock climbing, and then we can swim in the beautiful waterfall. Yes, we made it! We're at the waterfall. It's so hot and I'm really looking forward to swim in the cold water. Let's go! This water is so nice because it's kind of cold, so it's a really nice refreshment and so good after a long hike. Wow, I love this waterfall. It's so nice. I would even say it's nicer than Palo Maria, where I've been before. Because this is also even more remote. Like, there are not many people going here. Our guide actually said that from the people who live here, only like 5% have been to this place. And right now, it's only our group that is here. So I think that's really nice because we basically have the whole place for ourselves. So yeah, I can highly recommend to come here. So now we're gonna do a little hike to another waterfall, or cenote. They said the hike is a little tricky, so I hope I can do it, but they said it's gonna be really beautiful, so let's give it a try. Alright, we just made it to the second waterfall. It's so beautiful. The hike was very adventurous, like I was slipping away quite a few times, but it was totally fine. It's best to go barefoot and not to carry too much stuff. So we're probably gonna go for a little swim now and then head back. Back. So the hike was really nice going there, and also the little hike which was a little challenging, but it was nice. Afterwards, somebody had my shoes in their backpacks and I was walking barefoot for some time until my feet were like so sore and hurting so bad that I was saying I can't walk any more steps. And one of the guides, he actually catched up with the group to get my shoes, gave them to me, and then we continued walking. So it took a little longer than expected, and like the hike itself is totally fine, but you need to have your shoes. Like I actually recommend taking your trainers and not the flip-flops, but that's just my opinion. In any case, have flip-flops or shoes or anything and you'll be fine. So we're gonna walk back now and I'm so excited for taking a shower. So what Rafa just explained to me, and that's really interesting, is that in the Mexican culture there are actually like many different tribes and like 90 different languages. It's crazy, like I never thought that would exist, but that's actually the case. And what's really interesting is in the like old Mexican language, there's no such thing as my wife or my dog or my house or something like that. If you would like to translate it one to one, then it would be something like my dog would be the dog that walks beside me, that's like on my side, because he can't actually own an animal or another human being. And I actually like the concept of that a lot more than in how we say it in our language. Oh my gosh, such a long hike, such a long day. But I have to say, like, if I could choose again, I would definitely go again. Like, it was so worth it, so beautiful. The hike is exhausting, but yeah, like I said, it's so beautiful and it's like nothing I've ever seen before. So I think it's a good idea to go. I will link the contact information for the tour down below so you can book it as well if you like to do it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's content. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Bye guys!